Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased Sofix.in reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Sofix.in offers wide range of bicycles such as super lightweight bicycle, electric bicycle, steel frame bicycle, foldable bicycles and so forth. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of these bicycles, which seems too good to be true, and you might be tempted to grab it right away. But first, protect your wallet by knowing whether it's a scam or legit website. So further in this video, let us check the authenticity of Sofix.in. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel, because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Discover, American Express, PayPal, MasterCard and Visa. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that a customer can expect to receive their product within 5 to 7 business working days. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So here we can see that their return and exchange policy lasts for 30 days of the receipt of the product. But guys, note that you can request to return the product only if the product delivered is damaged. And while talking about the refund procedure, so it may take up to 7 to 10 business days for the respective banks to process the refund. And guys, in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customer through NEFT. Guys, the point to note here is that Sofix.in do not offer cash on delivery option. Still, here they have written that in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customers through NEFT. So it seems that the content over the website might be copied from some other websites. Therefore, it becomes very crucial to check the content quality of this website. Guys, here we can see that 100% of the content over this website is copied from other websites. So it's a red flag. Now let's proceed to check the cancellation policy. So guys, here they have written that you as a customer can cancel your order by calling their customer service and specifying the details of the order you would like to cancel. Therefore guys, now it becomes very important to know the way to contact their customer service. So let's check their contact details. So guys, here we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is info@sofix.com. And the important thing that I would like to specify here is that the given contact number is switched off, and the office address provided here is also available on many other fraudulent websites. So guys, it's a negative highlight. Now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Sofix.in uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name was registered on 24th August 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also here we can see that the domain is registered just for 1 year. Now let's talk about customer reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here we can see that there is no section on the official website for customers' feedback. And as I said, it was registered just a couple of days back, so over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. Addition to this, guys, Sofix.in lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a red flag. So guys, closer look at Sofix.in reveals red flags such as absurd return refund policies, copied content, duplicate images of the products, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the unbiased Sofix.in reviews. And apart from this, friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below because after all, we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.